Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Honors 7 from September 14th until September 18th. So, let's dive in and see what I have planned for this week. On the literature side, we will be reading chapters 4 and 5 this week. Students will be completing a worksheet that will focus in on standards like finding the definition of a word using context clues, looking at character analysis, and then also working on theme, which is the moral lesson of the story. So again, Monday, Tuesday, we'll be focusing on chapter 4, while Wednesday through Friday, we are going to be focusing on chapter 5. On the language arts side, we're going to get into our first big writing of the year, which will be a narrative writing. Students will begin plotting out their narrative writing on Monday. We'll go over that plot structure that they have made for their writing on Tuesday. Then we will have a mini lesson on Wednesday and Thursday to make sure that they know how to add descriptive and sensory language to their writing. And then on Friday, we'll be working on dialogue notes to make sure that students know how to appropriately put punctuation in their writing when they use dialogue. And then of course on Friday, we will begin working on that narrative writing. So that is your weekly roundup of this week for Honors 7.